Welcome the our channel. Today we how to configure background location updates on Android. Open your Android Studio and create a new project. Select an empty activity template for a clean start. Name your project something relevant, like background location updates. Set the minimum SDK according to your target audience. Click on Finish to create the project. Navigate to the app-level build.gradle file. Add the necessary dependencies for location services. Include the Google Play Services location dependency. Sync the project to download the required libraries. Next, open the Android manifest.xml file. Request the necessary permissions for location access. Add both access_find_location and access_background_location permissions. Also, include the necessary features and now, create a new service class for background updates. Name this class something like Location Update Service. Extend the class from Location Service or Service as required. Override the onStart command method for service actions. Use the Fused Location Provider client in this service. Initialize the client with the context and set up location requests. Configure the location request parameters, including priority and interval. Set up a pending intent to handle location updates. Create a broadcast receiver to receive updates from the pending intent. Register this receiver in the Android manifest.xml file. Next, implement the logic to handle location updates in the onReceive method. Process the location data as needed, for example, by logging it. Now, return to your main activity. Request location permissions from the user if not already granted. You can use ActivityCompat for this purpose. Once permissions are granted, start the location service. Use an intent to start your location updates service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.